Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today we're going to be covering how to resize a dashboard component. So there are a couple ways to get over to dashboards, which is the first thing that we'll need to do. We can either click over here on the dashboards tab or over here in the 3x3, we can search for dashboards. It'll get you to the exact same place. From here, we're going to find a dashboard that we want to work with. So I went over to all dashboards. We can either go into user adoption, but just go into the one that you want to resize the component for. So now we are on the dashboard. I'm going to go over to edit. All right, I am going to click edit there. All right, and what we can do here is I'm going to click on a specific component that I want to resize. Let's say I want to make this new leads in the last 30 days a little bit taller. I'm going to drag it and move it over. So now you can see 22 is a lot bigger. We can do the same thing here for the new opportunities. And now if we wanted to move it over a little bit, what we could do, so I'm going to move that over so then I can have a little bit of room to stretch. As you can see here, we've got different rectangles on the canvas behind the different components that we have. We can use that as a guide. You can't do like half of these rectangles. You have to take a whole rectangle at a time. Other things that you can do here is you can diagonally drag it, so then it has the different aspects. You can go, I guess, make it shorter, make it taller, make it wider, make it thinner, and then also do a diagonal drag. If you wanted to move these around, you could move it around into different spaces, and then each component should be responsive, and so it should move around the other components if you drag one, and then the different data that's displayed within that visualization should also respond. So as you saw, the 22 got bigger and our bar chart also got bigger. If we wanted to drag it down, it should get taller. As you can see, it should be pretty responsive. And once you're done, go ahead and click save and then done. And then you'll be able to see the changes that we made to this dashboard. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out the courses down below in the description or on salesforceupscale.com. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.